video of a training session on the 8th of March with a very nice day, quite cold as I remember, bit of spinnaker work happening. A nice view of one of the buoys as we go past. Quick look at the sails here. Nice view of the wake, nice and clean as we go downwind. There's a windsurfer coming by on a foil. And another gorgeous day on Rutland water. There's a bit of a regatta going on for these boats, which I had to avoid. So I did a quick jibe there. A few other people out on the water enjoying the day. A view of the bank at Hambleton and a few boats passing behind me. A final shot of some other people enjoying the day. This is what I covered that day.